Assess future sales and past performance using Excel-based charts. The Charts program quickly presents opportunity data in various forms using Excel spreadsheets that contain the consolidated data and the chart. Note that CRM lets you chart monetary data in source or functional currency, illustrating how tightly it's integrated with Sage. Select the chart you want to view: sales pipeline, open opportunities, or time to close. We'll choose time to close. For date closed, select the base date of July the 1st, group by month, display by user, and set the number of groups to 6. Let's see what the chart looks like. The Charts program creates an Excel spreadsheet containing the consolidated data and the chart. The spreadsheet is completely editable. For more information on CRM, please visit the TaiRox website at www.tairox.com.